That enchantment too, because it's really fucking good.
Soul Top.
And Spencer.
That's my second one.
Alright, let me know if you get any mana.
Snakes and bells, very good.
And don't be an idiot and lose your tokens like I did the other day. Alright, I got the elephant. What is that? Stillness and motion? What color is it?
Blue.
I don't know what that does.
Beginning of your upkeep, mill 3 cards. If your library has no cards in it, exile this shaman and put 5 cards from your library on top of it and in the water.
Okay. Oh, that's a Sarkhan.
Oh.
What the fuck? Oh, Mardu Seasbreaker? We could honestly splash cards like that. What'd you get, a Ugin?
I did not get it. I would yell if I got it.
Mox Bastard?
Don't worry about it. It's going in my deck. Or it's going in one of our decks.
Okay. Hopefully we get to see it.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a siege right now. Oh, let's go.
Look at this. Jason.
What'd you get? Oh, nice.
Not that color. That color. What the hell that's called?
Help you.
Yeah, but it's not of your.
Oh, that's a good card. Oh my god, look at that.
That would work very well with that.
Yeah, that's just fun.
Yeah, it would.
That is
Okay,
so
that's
incredible. Holy shit.
Wait, 5 minus 3, 3 minutes, all 3
Okay, so here's the thing, right? This is my graduated college.
Yeah.
My pack is not overly,
So good.
like, there's not a single deep color, which is very concerning.
Interesting.
White cards. Also here, that's your
Doing green, right?
Yes.
What do you think of the dragon stuff?
We'll see. I might not be going ramp, but we'll
Ooh,
see.
Windbreak Siege. Okay.
That's a good one.
Yes. Because all life triggers 12. Yes. Okay, Boros, aggro, we're going that way.
Dude, what the fuck?
Yep. Keep track of all the mana fixes. It's so cool.
Hey!
What? Oh, hell
We
yeah.
got it. Ugin.
You got it, Ugin? Hell yeah.
Oh,
Damn, maybe we should have traded it.
Yeah.
yeah, it's
No, I'm fine. Oh, yeah.
Oh, because you got one.
Actually wouldn't mind doing a dissolve and repair. Shouldn't do that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's crazy. Who's got trash?
What is your black hand? I have a lot of black cards over here.
Yes, you can keep your trash cards and trash decks. I can't help you with that. But I will take every other form of trash.
Okay, that'll be good for you. This will be good for you.
Trash, trash, trash. Take your real trash.
Yeah, you can take the box too.
Oh, thank you for letting me take your trash.
Phil, what the fuck? What did these boxes?
Oh my god, I had so much fun messing with them. Oh. I even put some infinity cards in one of them.
It's so crap.
There's a death for dead life.
Nice.
That is crazy for us. That is very good for us. Who's definitely have something?
Destroy creatures, draw card. Dude, another finish, dude. Yeah, there's been this talk.
Fight over.
You have to chase them.
Who else has trash?
Oh, this is doing good for you.
Oh my gosh, the amount of plate I have. I'm in shit.
Silver plate sealed.
Yes, put that in this pile.
What's up?
Ooh, hammer.
This one plate sealed.